Hello again, students. This video to show you how to log in through Horizon and also play a role how to start up your Dreamweaver CC, which is really helps. If you also want to use Notepad++ on our system, that is fine as well, but it's really much better to use it on your own computer. Okay, so here is my blank browser that I'm gonna type horizon.highline.edu. It will take me to this particular page. Now we have two options to use the Horizon. Preferably use this option right here, VMware Horizon HTML Access. It's much faster. You don't need to download anything or update it, or might run into conflicts. They will right away connect you automatically to the internet browser. Put your user email and password. It's the same user email and password to log in on Canvas. Then log in. Make sure this stays highlighted. Don't change the domain. And we're gonna take you to these two particular applications. Either one is gonna work, but I'm gonna go into 365 because I also teach Office 365 as well. So I'm gonna click on here, and it would gonna open in my page browser. This is, if you're doing it for the first time, it's gonna take a while to create your username and your profile and that particular machine. So we're actually accessing one of the available machine on campus in building 30. So it takes a little while to actually connect for the first time. If you connect at the same time and the same day, would do it faster. That's okay. Now we are on the college campus. If you don't want to use any of the programs, this is the apps everywhere is trying to pop up to allow you to use the software. It's gonna take again a little while. You don't need to use the app. You can close it to bypass it because I found out Dreamweaver is not actually in there. But if you want, we can test it. Again, remember, this is a remote desktop right here. So you want to close something inside, your window will be inside that particular page, not the outside. Okay, so I'm gonna maximize it. Hopefully Dreamweaver appears right here. If not, that's okay. So I'm gonna close this. I don't need this. So I'm gonna use that search box in the remote area, not in your computer. So this is the remote area of the search box, and this is your computer. So I'm gonna use the remote area. I'm gonna type Dreamweaver. It's gonna come up. Click on it, and it will start. Now you have to use your Highline student's email to validate your account in case you want to use this one on the college campus. But if you're doing the subscriptions as they show on Canvas and the syllabus, then you don't need to activate it every time. Sadly, yes, you have to activate it every time, and you have to save your work on your network drive, and also gonna show you how to save it on your Google Drive as well. So I'm gonna do a little bit of an exercise to show you how to save your work on your local drive. So I'm again, every time you log in, you have to set this up, and we'll see how it goes. You can use either way, it's fine. I'm gonna say yes, I have. Gonna select what background do you want. I'm gonna use the gray background. Choose whatever background you are comfortable with, and make sure you select the standard workplace. Then you go next right here if you want, then next, then you're pretty much done. Get started. Now it's gonna try to log in using your Highline email accounts. So let's continue with Google. Put your Highline email address. This is my Highline email address. Then click next. Then you put your password. click next. Again, you have to do this every time you log in. I have that software installed on my own machine, so I don't need to do this every time. So I wouldn't save it because it's not gonna save. You're gonna be able to start the Dreamweaver right here. Okay, create. It's validating. Leave your application open if you want, and again, it's gonna take a little time to do this. Let me go site, new site. Again, this is just a test site. I'll show you how to save it locally and also on Canvas and on Google Drive, so you can actually interact with it. There's a detailed video of this. I'm going to use desktops just to make sure that everything is right there. Create a new folder. Gonna name test website. Then select folder. Click save. Now we're gonna create a new documents. HTML. Give it a title. Test document. Go create. So I'm gonna save this documents as index. I automatically will give it the name index.html. Then I'm gonna close Dreamweaver. See, I almost did this. This will close the remote browser. I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna close Dreamweaver right here. Again, I'm gonna close this one. I'm gonna be in my desktop. This is the test website here, and this is the file that I created. So I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put it on my local drive so you can access it later, and I'm gonna show you how to do it also on your Google Drive. So I'm gonna leave this right here. I'm gonna right click, copy, then go to my network, my file explorer here into the remote folder. Then go to this PC. This should always pop up anyways. You want to go to the M drive and you see your username. This is my username. Then I can see a lot of files in there. I'm gonna go to BizTech 190 and go to HTML CSS and I paste it in here. To do this, let me create a new folder properly. Gonna create a new folder. That's site. I go right click and paste. So now I just copied and paste this one into my network drive. Now I'm gonna put it into my Google Drive, and I should not close the folder anyways. It was already logged in, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go back into my once you log in into your Google account, it should be there anyways. So hopefully, here we go. I'm already logged in. I'm gonna go to, I'm sorry, this is still there, drive.google.com right here. You should be already logged in. I'm already logged in because I used your Google to log in into your drive. So here I can upload the entire folder, or I can upload them individually. So first I'm gonna create a new folder. I'm gonna call it BizTech 190 Fall 2020, and I'm gonna go into that one. I'm gonna upload the entire folder. So I click new folder, upload, go to your desktop and select it and upload. So this would upload the folder and it's whatever is inside, which is beautiful with Google. So they created the folder for me and the file is already inside. Now to send this to me, you want to make sure, let me minimize this. The folder is zipped and submit to Canvas. I'm gonna go right click, send to zip folder, name it whatever assignment you want. And this one is one file now you can submit into Canvas. Okay, I hope this helps you kind of quickly to log in into Horizon and use the college software. College also has Notepad++. If you're interested, just first search for it. Oh, it doesn't have Notepad++, only Notepad. Anyways, so I hope this will help you. Bye bye.